Who are you?
I am Butchie.
Who are you?
I am Butchie.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
What happened?
I lost my ring.
How to go?
Go by bus.
How to go?
Go by bus.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What is that?
That is a cat.
What time is it?
It's 12 noon.
What time is it?
It's 12 noon.
Where are we?
We are in park.
Where are we?
We are in park.
What did he say?
He asked for money.
What did he say?
He asked for money.
How to start?
Start with grammar.
How to start?
Start with grammar.
Did you pass?
Yes, I did.
Did you pass?
Yes, I did.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
How tall are you?
I am 6 feet tall.
When is the party?
On Tuesday.
When is the party?
On Tuesday.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Why are you late?
I got up late.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
Whose car is this?
It's mine.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
What now?
Let's have dinner.
Who are they?
They are students.
Who are they?
They are students.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Which language do you speak?
I speak English.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who drew?
My sister drew.
Who is better?
The gold one.
Who is better?
The gold one.
How is business?
Quite good.
How is business?
Quite good.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
When will you sleep?
I will sleep soon.
Where are you?
At home.
Where are you?
At home.
What is it?
It's a table.
What is it?
It's a table.
Who won?
My friend won.
Who won?
My friend won.
How much did it cost?
It cost $10.
How much did it cost?
It cost $10.
Whose is this?
It's our.
Whose is this?
It's our.
Who is this?
He is a teacher.
Who is this?
He is a teacher.
What's your job?
I am a student.
What's your job?
I am a student.
Whom are you with?
I am with Dad.
Whom are you with?
I am with Dad.
Why me?
Because you can do.
Why me?
Because you can do.
Where do you go?
I go to a bank.
Where do you go?
I go to a bank.
What's the matter?
She went home.
What's the matter?
She went home.
How are you?
Great.
How are you?
Great.
When to go?
Tomorrow.
When to go?
Tomorrow.